It's a privilege to be invited into somebody's home. I really love to serve and I love to provide for other people. And so that's why I started my own business. You know, my employees, taking care of them, giving them the opportunity to make a living and support their family has just been a life-changing experience. We are definitely a premier company, so we kind of customize our process to each customer. So my philosophy has always been to get really good and specialized in something unique. And they're looking for somebody that cares about their house. Somebody that's going to put, you know, corner guards up and tarps up and towels to have the same technician out every single time. Being able to customize our stuff to the client, really. I mean, that's what it comes down to. There's a lot of companies that just have one solution, one cleaning product for everything. We can do anti-allergen stuff if you have allergies. We can do green if you want green cleaning. We have odor-free products if you're sensitive to fragrance. I mean, just on and on and on. Just the array of products that we can offer our clients is really what separates us from the competition. When you're looking for a premier cleaning and restoration company in San Diego County, you can go online right now to purelightcleaning.com and book an estimate or an appointment today.